To sell on Moomoo, you need to first create an account and download the Moomoo trading app. Once you have the app, open it and log into your account. If you are a new user, you will need to go through the verification process, which includes providing identification and financial information. After logging in, navigate to the market or stock you want to sell, and click on the Trade button. Select the Sell option and enter the number of shares you want to sell. You can choose from different order types, such as market order, limit order, or stop-loss order. A market order will execute the sale at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute the sale if the stock reaches a certain price. A stop-loss order will automatically sell the stock if it falls to a certain price, helping you limit potential losses. Before placing the order, review the order details, including the number of shares, order type, and price. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the sale. Once you confirm the order, Moomoo will execute the sale and the proceeds will be deposited into your account. It is essential to keep an eye on market trends and news that may affect the stock price. You can use the Moomoo app to monitor real-time market data, news, and analysis to make informed decisions. Additionally, you can set price alerts and notifications to stay up to date on market movements. To get the best price for your stocks, consider selling during peak trading hours when there is high liquidity. You can also use technical analysis tools and charts to identify trends and patterns in the market. Furthermore, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. Moomoo also offers a community feature where you can connect with other traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. You can participate in discussions, ask questions, and get feedback from experienced traders. This can help you refine your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell on Moomoo and achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and always keep an eye on the market to maximize your returns.